2021 was a year of recovery led by creative thinkers with an unwavering sense of purpose. Still, in the midst of the pandemic, we witnessed the many ways area businesses rose to the challenge to keep their doors open, serving the residents and visitors of Washtenaw County with pride and determination. It was wonderful to see so many visitors return. Leisure travel made a comeback in 2021, with metrics showing an upward trend towards pre-pandemic levels. And at Destination Ann Arbor, we made it our mission to support and uplift our hospitality partners the best we could. We adhered to our strategic recovery plan, guiding us as we made decisions and reviewed opportunities that would help the local economy and restore consumer confidence. We collaborated with hoteliers in the development of the first-ever Ann Arbor Area Hotel Week, which generated over 100 room nights. Our community's vibrancy came alive through social media. We encouraged travelers and townies to explore and find those hidden gems which make our county so special. And our 46 blogs written in 2021 contributed to a record number of website sessions, 826,000, an increase of 120% over 2020. Our partnerships with Under the Radar Michigan, On the Ground Ypsilanti, and Pure Michigan gave us a platform to highlight local businesses that are doing incredible things in our community. The Destination Ann Arbor sales team was hard at work booking conferences, meetings, and events, making the most of a sluggish return of business travel. We generated leads for future conferences totaling 74,000 room nights, with an estimated economic impact of $17.9 million, a significant increase over 2020. And this year, we are excited to announce that all 3 union training groups are returning. The creative light of Washtenaw County continued to shine brightly in 2021, and we are proud to have provided both financial and marketing support to our area's most cherished events. In 2021, we took a meaningful step forward in our commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Partnering with Ypsilanti-based Branhart Evolution, we structured a plan enabling us to support and advocate for improved DEI awareness within the hospitality industry. The Ann Arbor Sports Commission had another impressive year, bringing back events that were canceled in 2020 and successfully completing bids for 2 new events: an Epson Tour Women's Golf event and an International Ice Hockey Coaches Association event, both being held in 2022. 2021 was quite a year. Our spirits were raised and our hopes were lifted. We saw a return of leisure travel and were in awe of the perseverance we witnessed with our hospitality partners. We were inspired by creative thinkers and the dogged determination of business owners who rose above the challenges that faced them. And we were reminded that Washtenaw County is a very special place, full of people who are ready to serve our visitors with warmth, grace, charm, and that little extra thing that makes us who we are. 2022, we are ready for you.